coating protects the aircraft. Then on top of that, they have the white coating. The purpose of the white coating is to keep the temperature inside the cockpit to the 15 to 20 degrees of the outside temperature. Otherwise, you can imagine what would happen here. I'll tell you a little bit more about what's going on here. Those mountains, by the way, in the winter months, it's really pretty sight. We often have snow really on the top of the mountains. And the best part is the snow is up there. The aircraft that they purchased, they realized a savings of approximately $4 million. How did they do that? Well, if they had to go on the open market and purchase those engines, for example, it would have cost about $4 million more. And this is perhaps the best time to mention it, that this is perhaps the only Department of Defense operation that actually operates with a savings. Well, we used to describe it as a return on investment, but it really isn't. For every $1 that is spent for expenses, they realize a return or a savings of approximately $11. And how do they do that? Well, the sale of parts, the sale of aircraft on the foreign military sales program. So they do have a return on the operation. The Air Force likes to describe this facility. Now, today I asked you when we started out, how many know this is a boneyard? I think today you've seen that it's really much more than a boneyard. And the Air Force likes to describe this facility as their diamond in the desert.